Hi, this is Michelle. Usually I bring you along with me and show you all the wonderful places that I've traveled. This time, I want to do something a little different. There's a concept called slow living. It's a type of lifestyle that's encouraging you to take your time and really enjoy the moments of life. It's a way of thinking that is more about the quality instead of the quantity. And it helps you to appreciate the little things. So I want to take that concept and apply that to travel. Some people call this slow travel. I think in today's day and age, people are multitasking, so busy in their daily lives with work, children, taking care of their homes. A vacation sometimes can be just as hectic. I have a list of 10 things that can help you take your slow living or slow travel along with you on your next vacation. Number 1, take your time to get to know the places that you're visiting and the people. Talk to some of the locals. Explore the culture. Soak in the atmosphere. Instead of calling for an Uber or a taxi, walk or take a bike. Sometimes you'll see so much more. Number 3, pack light. Now that's easier to say than it is to actually do. I am really trying to pack as light as I can because I know during the trip I'm going to find a laundromat. We did that when I was in Brighton. We found this little laundromat, put our clothes in the washer, and across the street was a great little spot to grab some lunch. Number 4 is treat yourself to a leisurely stroll or even have a picnic in the park. Some sort of outdoor destination that is relaxing. One of the things that I did was my very first day in Paris. I wanted croissants underneath the Eiffel Tower. We walked to the Eiffel Tower and I sat with the Eiffel Tower in front of me and ate croissants. And it was such an incredible experience that I'll never forget. Now, number 5 is very similar to number 4. Spending some time in nature, having a picnic underneath the Eiffel Tower or to Central Park and just strolling through, people watching, seeing all of those places that we always see on TV, experiencing them in person. Number 6 is something I did very recently. It's taking part in activities is something that area that you're in is known for. We went on a cruise. One of our stops was in Mexico. We learned how to make salsa, cut up the tomatoes, the onions. We also made guacamole. We actually got to eat it and it was delicious. And it was just such fun. Number 7 is to avoid overscheduling your trip. Try to take some time for sea day if you're on a cruise. And maybe that sea day is not actually a day when you're at sea. Maybe it's at one of your ports that for whatever reason you decide to stay on the ship and just kind of relax. We took a couple of sea days. We just found a spot, had a great book, and just relaxed. Number 8. Seek out something authentic when you're traveling, like visit a local market or a family-owned restaurant. One of the things that I love to do, and other people kind of laugh at me, but I like to go to the grocery store in places that I travel to. When you go to another country and you go in their grocery store, it's interesting to see how small it is, what kind of produce they offer. Number 9, of course you're going to take some pictures. Definitely want to capture what you're seeing, have that for memories, and you can possibly print those out and hang them on your wall, and that's all wonderful. And I want you to do that. But I also want you to put your phone away or put your camera away. Be present. Instead of being behind the lens and taking the picture, just experience. It's incredible when you do that. Number 10 is to purchase souvenirs that have meaning. Paintings and artwork have become my favorite souvenirs. They're easy to transport home, and the memories they invoke are priceless. Combining slow living with travel can bring numerous benefits to people seeking a more meaningful and fulfilling experience. It allows for a deeper connection with the surrounding environment, a chance to slow down and appreciate life's simple pleasures, and an opportunity to cultivate personal growth and self-awareness. Additionally, it can help reduce stress and promote overall well-being. By embracing a slower pace of life while on the move, travelers can create unforgettable memories and gain a greater appreciation for the beauty and diversity of the world around them. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks.